All right, 3500 heavy duty. This particular truck is a Laramie crew cab, 6'4" box, monotone, sport pack, body colored bumpers. It's got your backup camera. It's also got your fifth wheel camera as well, which is mounted up in that third brake light. This truck does have the fifth wheel prep group as well. Mud flaps, towing mirrors, as well as that tried and true 360-degree camera. For those who don't know, those will flip up like so. But this particular truck's also got power folding abilities on the mirrors and power control for your convex mirrors as well. Tuck those right in. Automatic headlamps, cruise control, adaptive, of course. All of your haul and auxiliary settings built into that beautiful 12-inch display. Trailer brake control as well. This particular Laramie also comes with ventilated and heated seating, as well as a heated steering wheel. The new for 2021 rear view mirror with better visibility. Sunroof. Of course, that massive Laramie back seat. Hideaway center console. Lots of space for gear, hard hat, whatever you want to do. Of course, your push button 4-wheel drive and push button start. For information on this or any other heavy duty in our inventory, give us a call, 403-902-0434. Get to work.